Pinky Artists. Today, we're drawing JJ happily listening to music. He looks so happy. Maybe he's dancing too. Let's grab our pencils and start drawing together. JJ is the main character in CoComelon. He has bright blonde hair and wears cute PJs. He has a pet named Bingo the dog. JJ's family includes his mommy, daddy, and big brother and sister. He always smiles and has fun with his friends. JJ's favorite color is yellow. JJ loves making everyone happy. Can you make a happy face like JJ? Wow! That's the happiest smile ever. JJ loves to sing and dance. His favorite song is The Wheels on the Bus. What's your favorite song to listen to? That's a great song. I love it too. We have exciting news for you, Pinky Artists. Our Pinky Art books are now available on Amazon. These books are filled with fun, simple, and adorable drawings that you can enjoy anytime. Whether you love cute animals, yummy treats, or exciting characters, there's a book just for you. Want to keep practicing your drawing skills? Love to color cute pictures? Or want to have fun anytime, anywhere? Then our Pinky Art books are perfect for you. Click the link in the description to check them out on Amazon and start your creative adventure today. If you could sing a song to JJ, what would it be? He would love that song. Great! Our sketch is all done. Adding color will make him appear even more adorable. Let's bring JJ to life with your favorite crayons or markers. Do you like to dance like JJ? Amazing! You're a great dancer. Can you pretend to wear headphones like JJ? Wow! You look just like JJ. What color is JJ's hair? Yes! It's yellow and super bright. If you had fun, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so we can draw together again. What kind of music do you think JJ is listening to? That sounds like so much fun! What do you think JJ is thinking while listening to music? Oh, great idea! Who would you listen to music with? That's a wonderful choice! Do you like singing along to music? That's awesome! Keep singing! Well done! We did an amazing job today! Give yourself a big round of applause! I really appreciate you drawing with me today. Until next time.